Okay, so hi, today we are showing you how to do this. We can cook it and it's actually slimy. Slime.
I not like your hands.
Okay, let me wash my hands. Okay, I'm done washing my hands. So I'm showing you. So we are going to grab an egg. That's simple. Just grab an egg. Just grab it.
Hey.
Okay.
She was another pig.
No, just a no.
No. But you put it
Okay.
on.
Okay, let's shake it. It feels kind of good. If we shake it, it feels kind of good, okay? So, Joseph, grab the camera.
The
Joseph,
camera?
agarra el cámara. Okay, Joseph, y que vea al huevo. Okay, Joseph, ven. Okay, so first, dale. So first, we're going to put this
And I can sit the egg.
like that.
That was the egg. Oh, he's doing
So
it.
that's easy.
That's it.
Joseph, no. Okay, now
Oh, he's gonna get it out.
let's cut the egg. Okay, now let's put it here. And now let's just wait some minutes. Chick, 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 chick. Oh, look how it's licking it. This thing takes like some minutes to be done. So, I'm not pausing the video. Oh, okay, it's done. We made it. Okay, just let this fall. It's not happy. I mean, oh, it's falling, it's falling. When this thing falls, we are done. Okay, so in 3, 2, I'm pausing the video. Okay, so we are done. And like we have someone here. See? Okay, now let's just dump it in. Woo! And now we made it. Goodbye, guys. Oh, and don't forget, the most important thing, for make all that slime, we will need like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We will need like some 7 eggs to do that slime. And with this one, 8.
Hey, don't go this.
Okay, and the most important thing, grab the scissors. Joseph, I got ice too.
Yes.
Okay, not but Joseph.
Jacob.
Okay, grab a scissor. Where's the scissor? Oh, it's right here. Okay, let me just go get it. It's like 1 mile away. But I'm passing.
Hey.
Joseph, solo por pausa.
¿Cuál es pausa?
Ahí está.
Look.
Joseph, ya mírame a mí. Ahora que mira
Look
el
this
huevo.
penguin.
Okay, now we will need to cut it. Cut it.
Yeah. Jacob finger is wet. You see, this is
And done. Now just done. Okay, now goodbye. And for the most important thing, now let's just look how much I did. I did like millions of them. And with this one, woo! Okay, goodbye. And that's how we make the slime. Just that with a lot of them. Okay, goodbye there, guys. And I hope that you get a good day. But goodbye.